For sketching, designers typically like to sketch in isometric or perspective form, showing three sides of an object to give a really clear picture in the viewer's mind of what that object that they've sketched is. You can probably guess what this was originally. If it's not clear, it's a battery. But that's not the only way that designers sketch. There's another way called orthographic projection, which involves looking at the object one side only at a time, and then lining up sketches of those sides so that everything aligns, and you can get an idea of what the object looks like. Sorry, yep, everything's reversed, from looking at just one side of it at a time. So this is as if I've taken the battery and I've looked at it only from the top, this way, only from the top, and sketched it just like that. So that's the top. And then I've tipped it and sketched it as if I'm only looking at the front side of it, not any. So to put it right in front of the camera, I'm looking at that and not looking at any of the 3D-ness of it, just looking, as you can see, at the outline of it. And then I take it and I turn it to the side and I sketch that. And that's called orthographic projection. I might, if the object had something hidden on it, like if I sketched the bottom of it, I would turn it down and do the sketch bottom below the main sketch. And I might use dotted lines. I don't know if that shows up very well, but those are the dotted lines to show those connectors on the top of the battery. On the bottom of the battery, you wouldn't see that, right? You would only see the square bottom of the battery with the rounded edges. And so I use dotted lines there to indicate that that's a feature that's there, but it's hidden in that view. Hopefully that makes sense. If you can't actually see it, but it is part of the drawing, then you put the lines in, but you put them in dotted. And this is called orthographic projection. So for today, I'd like you to do an orthographic projection, and I'd like you to do it of this object. And I'll take a picture and put it there, or you can just pause the video and take a look at this object and draw that in orthographic projection. Top view, side view, front view.